The Pixel 7 Pro is one of the most reliable flagships of 2025. Now, when I describe the Pixel 7 Pro as reliable, what I'm really talking about is its proven track record of consistent performance and longevity. Unlike many smartphones that quickly have become outdated, the Pixel 7 Pro has maintained its quality over time. It offers dependable daily performance without forcing users into yearly upgrades. After extensive testing of various phones, the Pixel 7 Pro stands out for me due to its durability and lasting value. And in my opinion, it has remained competitive with newer devices released since its launch. The 7 Pro continues to deliver excellent display quality, smooth performance, outstanding camera capabilities, and refined software features. So in this review, I'll address key questions about long-term ownership of the Pixel 7 Pro, its battery performance, software stability, and potential drawbacks after nearly 2 years of use. And if you find this review helpful, please support the channel by liking and subscribing, and let me know which device that you'd like me to review next. Now, while the Pixel 7 Pro has impressed me consistently, it's important to discuss some limitations that potential buyers should consider. The most notable weakness is the speaker system. Compared to other phones that I've used, the 7 Pro's max volume is significantly lower, and I'd say it's about half as loud as many of its competitors. Sound quality is also disappointing, with flat audio reproduction, minimal bass, and overall lackluster output. Another concern for me was the phone's durability. The curved display presents a challenge for protection. I prefer not to use a screen protector, relying instead on the Gorilla Glass and a case with raised edges. But despite these precautions, the screen seems unusually susceptible to scratches, accumulating marks from minor contact that wouldn't typically damage other phones. The fingerprint scanner is another noticeable weakness. The optical in-display sensor used in the Pixel 6 through 8 Pro is noticeably slower and less reliable than its competitors. Authentication often requires multiple attempts and sometimes fails completely, forcing me to use the backup pen. Even facial recognition isn't consistently reliable. Heat management was also very concerning. The phone runs warm during routine tasks like gaming, charging, and web browsing, and especially during system updates. And while performance isn't immediately affected, I worry about long-term battery degradation from the consistent heat generation, and I might have to replace the battery within the next 2 years. But despite these drawbacks, one major benefit is its current market value. As of right now, the Pixel 7 Pro is available for $200 to $300 depending on where you shop, offering exceptional value compared to current flagship prices. It's more affordable than contemporary competitors while delivering a comparable experience to newer Pixel models. The software experience is particularly impressive. It runs the latest Android 15, matching the Pixel 9 Pro with features like private space, theft protection, and enhanced multitasking. You get nearly all the premium features found on newer models: ambient music detection, advanced photo editing tools, and integration with the Google Gemini AI. Performance remains remarkably smooth. Compared to the Pixel 9 Pro, most users wouldn't notice that this is a 2022 device. The 1440p display matches current flagships like the Galaxy S24 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max, offering realistic colors, sharp visuals, and an engaging viewing experience. Design details also enhance the experience, from minimal bezels to the discrete hole punch camera that maximizes screen space. Display brightness is adequate, the 120Hz refresh rate remains fluid, and the overall aesthetic is modern and appealing. 8 to 8.5 hours of screen time on Wi-Fi, 5.5 to 6 on 5G. My standby drain depends on signal strength, about 5 to 10% per day with good reception, and up to 25% per 12 hours with poor signal. And after 2 years, battery life remains sufficient for a full day of normal use, though slightly reduced from new. Now, my performance has stayed pretty consistent, and multitasking remains nearly as quick as when it was new. Regular activities like browsing, messaging, and social media run smoothly. Gaming performance is solid, though extended gaming sessions can cause it to get a little bit hot. The Tensor G2 chip still handles AI tasks very efficiently. Camera quality still continues to impress in 2025. The main sensor captures vivid, natural colors, and though the 9 Pro does handle extreme lighting better, whenever you're in good conditions, photos remain flagship quality. Selfies maintain the Pixel's reputation for natural skin tones and accurate portrait effects. And while newer Pixels like the 9 Pro better handles challenging scenarios like moving hair or complex backgrounds, the 7 Pro still performs admirably. Low-light selfies show more noise than newer models. Video capabilities remain competitive. The recording is smooth and detailed. Audio capture is clear, and cinematic blur, while slower to process, produces professional results. The Pixel 7 Pro offers outstanding value for anyone seeking a reliable flagship experience without spending $800 to $1,000. It combines stable performance and competitive competitive pricing with guaranteed updates through Android 18. So for anyone who prioritizes long-term reliability and value, the Pixel 7 Pro delivers exactly that.